A protest was held outside of Baystate Medical Center calling for more transparency and community involvement at the now closed Mary Lane Hospital.
22 News reporter Melissa Torres spoke to the demonstrators about their demands and what they hope to relay to the healthcare executives at Baystate Health.
Well, Nick, Sierra demonstrators today believe that the closing of Mary Lane Hospital has turned Ware into a healthcare desert. And with no permanent solutions in sight, they are asking for an accessible healthcare space once again. Demonstrators came out to protest on Chestnut Street today, following the closure of Mary Lane Hospital. These demonstrators saying that the removal of these services has people worried for their lives and safety.
We have just as many people out there that need the care. They can't take the time to travel this far if it's a life-saving emergency. You know, and we just want our care back. We want everything. We don't have anything left in Ware.
The hospital was closed in 2023, and a majority of the hospital services were relocated to Baystate Wing Hospital in Palmer. Upwards of 70,000 people have been impacted by this closure. Due to the lack of healthcare options in this rural area, in emergency situations, sometimes people have to travel over 30 minutes to get to the closest healthcare facility.
I know my personal experience has been as short as 8 hours, but as long as 25 hours, and you're on a gurney in the hallway, overcrowded. I feel sorry for the staff. They're under a lot of pressure, and it's not their fault.
Demonstrators telling 22 News that the reason that healthcare officials closed the site was because there wasn't enough patients. But this shutdown has allegedly led to overcrowding in nearby hospitals and long wait times.
We would like to see, if not anything more, at least an urgent care, something that the residents in the community can go to if they have an emergency and not have to travel to an emergency room.
22 News reached out to Baystate Health regarding this standout, and they said in part, quote, Baystate Health is committed to serving the health needs of its communities. We continue to work with the town of Ware and the Ware Historical Commission on a collaborative transition plan for the site and are currently complying with the Historical Commission's demolition delay. Demonstrators also request that the funds that were earmarked for Mary Lane Hospital be given back to the community to be put towards public health needs. Working for you, Melissa Torres, 22 News.